Hi, are you looking to get $30,000 and above contracts on Upwork and earn top rated and top rated plus status on the platform so you can get this consistently? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you the new status that Upwork attributes to some freelancers and agencies and how to get this status so you can get those bigger, juicier contracts. Now, this is not for people who think it's going to be super easy and you follow a few easy steps and then magically you get $30,000 contracts. No, usually it takes months or sometimes even years to achieve this, so don't expect to go into this video or to do this and then immediately get results. This is for people who actually want to run a real business and want to get real results, and then, of course, they'll have the ability to get those bigger contracts. So it's for people who take business seriously, it's for people who want to work hard on their business. So why am I qualified to talk about this? Well, I've been on Upwork since 2011, and I've helped hundreds of people achieve amazing results on Upwork, including top rated and top rated plus status, and make tens of thousands of dollars per month from the platform. Here's some of them right here. It's a little bit scroll of some of my clients. So anyway, let's jump right into it. How do you get top rated plus status on Upwork, and how do you get those $30,000 projects? Before we start, hit the subscribe and the bell notification icon so you get future updates on my videos about Upwork tips. So what's the point of top rated plus? Like, why should you even want to get top rated plus? Well, basically you get reduced fees starting at 10% instead of 20% on featured jobs. Those are jobs with the words featured on them when you look at the job feed. You also get more control over your job success score, meaning that you're less likely to lose job success score, which is a huge factor on Upwork. Basically, Upwork is going to trust you more when you deal with clients and not just automatically derank you everywhere. Also, you get invitations to submit proposals to jobs assisted by talent specialists. This is when people who work for Upwork, they're talent specialists, when they send you invites on the platform to certain jobs where clients, the end users, are basically paying them to help them source talent, source freelancers and agencies. You'll also get their job digest email, basically email recommendations to which jobs to apply to. And also you get faster payments on hourly contracts instead of having to wait forever to get them. Also, you'll get premium customer support, including phone and chat. But to be fair, you can always kind of just call Upwork. They have a phone number if you Google them. But okay, I mean, they list this as premium support, but sure, why not? So how do you get top rated plus? How do you get the status that allows you access to essentially better features in Upwork and a higher job success score, even if you failed sometimes? Basically, you need to have top rated already, which I explain how to get in a video that I link to in the description of this video. And then you need to get total earnings over $10,000 over the past 12 months. Not a big deal. It's not that hard, to be honest, on Upwork these days. And then you also need to have worked on at least one or more contracts that are large contracts over the past 12 months without negative outcomes, okay? What does large mean? It depends on the industry, but it ranges between 5,000 and 20,000. So there, if you've worked on contracts over the past 12 months that are 5 to 20,000, depending on your industry, you can find a full list on Upwork.com. Then you may be eligible for Upwork Top Rated Plus status. So how do you get those larger contracts, the $20,000 or $30,000 contracts? Let me explain to you in a very simple way, okay? There's two ways, either with fixed contract prices or with hourly ones. Basically, for an hourly, it's probably the easiest one because you basically maintain a single contract with a single client until it reaches $30,000. So if you charge $100 per hour, divide 30,000 divided by 100, that's how many hours you need to work to get to $30,000. The best way to get these contracts is build your credibility on the platform. Have lots of reviews and build up your hourly rate so that if you work those hours that you can actually get to $30,000 before the contract ends. Great industries to reach that in are software development, web development, and other tech industries. You can also do things like marketing, like Facebook ad management, media buying in general, Google ads management, and so on. Because this is such a wide topic, like getting $20,000 to $30,000 projects, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna list several videos for you to watch on my YouTube channel that'll explain to you how to get those contracts, like how to write your profile and so on. So just click in the description to watch those specific videos on how to use Upwork properly to get those bigger contracts. And then in terms of fixed contracts, you'll really want to get into tech because if you build a large app, for example, a web application or a SaaS, you're very likely to need to charge a client $30,000 because the project takes a long time and is very complicated. And that industry generally is a high tier, like premium industry. We need to pay good money for good developers. So that's a great industry to get into. So again, videos in the description are going to describe to you exactly how to get into those industries and how to get those larger contracts successfully. So click below in the description. If you have any questions, do comment below. I respond to the best questions personally.